Here's how to set up and use Lumio Arc 5. First is make sure that you have already plugged in your Lumio Arc 5, but some Lumio Arc 5 doesn't need plug-in. It needs only Bluetooth, so make sure that the button is turned on. Next is place the projector 6 to 12 feet from the screen so that you will have a good view on your end. Next is at the very top of your projector, use the focus wheel and keystone correction. This will give you a clear view of the movie that you're going to watch on your Lumio Arc 5. Next, if the Bluetooth is not working, you can use HDMI, USB, or screen mirroring that can be connected to your PC or laptop. But this will only work if the Bluetooth is not working. After setting it up, you can now go ahead, sit back, relax, and watch your favorite show using the Lumio Arc 5 projector on your home.